Hey, and welcome to Pilates Done Right. My name is Melanie, and today I'm going to talk about short spine on the reformer. This is a great stretch through the hamstrings. It massages the back. It's a wonderful exercise as long as you or your client is able to do inversion exercises, meaning the heart is up over the head. But a very pleasant exercise if you're comfortable with that and if you don't have any medical conditions that would make that unsafe for you. So for equipment setup, we have 2 heavy springs. This is the same as you would use for feet and straps. And I've got the Footbar on high. Now this is not necessary for the exercise, but just because it makes it easier to get in and out of the straps, I like to leave it here. Headrest is absolutely down. This is a safety issue. Anytime you're doing an inversion, the headrest needs to be down so that we don't impinge the neck. For body position, we'll lay back on the reformer. And we'll take the loops. Now, you'll use the regular loops. In our studio, we have them a little bit different length. So you'll see me put them into the short loops here. Okay, just get myself adjusted. All right, so short spine. From here, we send the hips and the feet up overhead in one motion up toward the back corner of the room. And we bring the carriage all the way docked here. Okay, so this carriage is all the way to the stoppers. Take the feet to Pilates V. Bend the knees down toward the shoulder blocks. From here, we roll the spine down, keeping the feet over the face as long as we can. Now this will be different for everybody. Here I've reached the extent of what my hamstrings can take. So from here, I'll send my heels toward the glutes and then stretch away. And I'm ready for the next rep. Now you will see people want to fold and then send their feet up overhead. That's not quite what we're looking for. Let me just finish the exercise here, and I'll clarify. So rolling the spine down, heels to glutes, stretch away. So what we're actually looking for here is sending them up overhead in one motion. So rather than a fold and then a pike up, it's just one motion, smoothly rolling all the way up as your feet go back. Dock the carriage, Pilates V, knees down toward the shoulder blocks. And this is basically how I cue my clients as well. Roll the spine down, reaching long through the tailbone. When you've reached your distance for your hamstrings, heels to glutes, stretch away. And we'll do that one more time. Send the feet up overhead, dock the carriage, Pilates V, knees down toward the shoulder blocks. Roll the spine all the way down as far as you're able to, keeping the feet over the face. Last second, heels to glutes, stretch away. So that is short spine on the reformer. I'll just come out of the loops here. And there you see my use of the Footbar. It makes it easy to get in and out. So as long as you or your client is able to handle inversions, there's no neck issues, no osteoporosis, no heart issues or anything. Vision issues can be a problem, like if you've got anything with the back of the eye, like I can't think of what it is. I'll try and put it in the top, totally lost the word, but anything where a doctor might say, no, it's better to keep your head over your heart. Pregnancy is a big one, but excellent exercise otherwise for a healthy body. And I hope that helps. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.